At FG Fencing, we specialize in top-quality wood, chain link, and iron fencing, tailored to suit your property and needs. Our team works closely with you to create a custom fencing solution that enhances your space and reflects your vision. Wood fencing remains one of the most popular choices for homeowners because of its timeless beauty and versatility. When planning your wood fence, start by deciding on the height, whether for privacy, security, or aesthetics. At FG Fencing, we build more than fences. We build trust and lasting quality. Choose from pressure-treated wood for strength or cedar for its natural look and long-lasting performance. Ready to enhance your property? Visit FG Fencing today. Get in touch with us for a free consultation. Let's create your perfect fence together.